Hello dear students, welcome all again in a maths class. Today we are going to start our second exercise, this one. Write the numerals for the given number names. For example, if here TWENTY 7 is there, so what you number write? You write 2727. Right? One more example. If there is a 40, FORTY 40 and INA 49 is there, which number you write? You write 4949. I hope you all know these number names. So let's we move to our exercise. See here. What is the number? SIXTEEN. So what is your answer? Answer is 1616. Okay. TWENTYONE 121. So what is your answer? 2121. Here 59. 59 that means 5959. Here 97. So 97 that means 9797. Then 33. 33 that means 3333. 49. So 4949. 65. So 6565. Okay. 38. So 3838. 86. So what is your answer? 8686. 18. So what is your answer? 1818. 20. 20. 52. So 5252. 100 that means 100. And 66. So 66. I hope you all are aware of this. Let's move to our next exercise. What is the definition? Let us keep count the following numbers. That means you have to skip the count. Here in a definition they wrote skip count in a 2. That means you have to skip a 2 numbers. For example, here they start with a 14. So how many you have to cut? 2 numbers. 14, then 15, then 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. Like this. 16 plus 2, what number is there? 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 22 plus 2, 24. 24 plus 2, 26. 26 plus 2, 28. So you skip 2 numbers. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 22 plus 2, 24. 24 plus 2, 26. 26 plus 2, 28. Like that. Next definition, skip count in a 5. So you have to cut a 5. 20 plus 5, 25, right? 25 plus 5, 30. 30 plus 5, 35. 35 plus 5, 40. 40 plus 5, 45. 45 plus 5, 50. 50 plus 5, 55. Okay. Now next number. Read the definition. Skip count in a 3. So you have to count 3 numbers more. 34 plus 3, 37. 37 plus 3, 40. 40 plus 3, 43. 43 plus 3, 46. 46 plus 3, 49. 49 plus 3, 52. 52 plus 3, 55. Okay. Now read the next definition. Skip count in a 4. So you have to skip a 4 numbers. 68 plus 4, 72. 72 plus 4, 76. 76 plus 4, 80. 80. 80 plus 4, 84. 84 plus 4, 88. 88 plus 4, 92. 92 plus 4, 96. Okay, students. Now read the next definition. Skip count in a 9. So you have to skip a 9 numbers. 35 plus 9, 44. 44 plus 9, how much? 53. 53 plus 9, how much? 62. 62 plus 9, how much? 71. 71 plus 9, 80. 80 plus 9, 89. 89 plus 9, 98. Okay. Now skip count in a 6. So you have to skip the 6 numbers. 26 plus 6, 32. 32 plus 6, 38. 38 plus 6, 44. 44 plus 6, 50. 50 plus 6, 56. 56 plus 6, 62. 62 plus 6, 68. Okay. Now skip count in a 10. So you have to skip a 10 numbers. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. 50 plus 10, 60. 60 plus 10, 70. 70 plus 10, 80. 80 plus 10, 90. Okay, students? Now skip count in a 8. So you have to skip the 8 numbers. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 8, 28. 28 plus 8, 36. 36 plus 8, 44. 44 plus 8, how much? 52. 52 plus 8, 60. 60 plus 8, 68. I hope you all understood this exercise. Now let's move to our next exercise. Which one is that? Greater than, less than and equal to sign. First of all, we clear about the concept of these three things. Greater than, that mean greater than, G-R-E-A-T-E-R, greater than. Greater than is symbol is like this. Okay. Less than, L-E-S-S-T-H-A-N, less than symbol is like this. And equal to, E-Q-U-A-L, equal to sign is like this. Let's see the example. If there is a 44 number is here, blank is here and 56. So which value is the big? You try. First check the tens value. Here 4 is and here 5. So which one is the big, 4 or a 5? 5 is the big. So 56 is greater than 44. So which sign will come? This sign. That means those value is big. That time you have to keep this mouth open. So you have to put here 56 is greater than 44. Okay, students, I hope you all understand. Now, if here 60 is 60 and blank is here and 1, 4, 14. Okay, so first check the tens value. Here unit value, this one is the tens value. Here 6 is here and here 1. So 6 is big or 1 is a big? 6 is big. So which one is the big value? 60. So which sign come? Those value is big. That type you have to keep this mouth open. Okay. If 5050 then blank and 5050. So both value are equal. That time you have to put here equal to sign. Okay students, I hope you all understand. Now let's move to our textbook exercise. See here, you can see 75 and 67. You have to check this tens value. Here 7 and here 6. 7 is the big. So you have to keep here this sign. That time 49 and 54. 54 is the big. So you have to keep this mouth open, big value side. 24 and 24. Both are the equal value. So you have to keep here equal to sign. Okay. Now 32 and 1990. Which one is the big? Here 3, here 1. So 3 is the big value. So this sign will come. Okay. 89, 93. 8 is a big or a 9 is a big? 9 is the big. So your answer is this one. 4 is a big or a 3 is a big? 4 is a big. So you have to do this sign. 27 is the big or 30? 30 is the big. So you have to put this sign. 1 for 14 is the big or 1 7 17 is the big? 1 7 17 is the big. So you have to put this sign. 57 or a 79? 79 is big. So you have to do this sign. 41 or a 63? 63 is a big. So you have to do this sign. Then 55 or 55, both are equal, so you have to keep here equal to sign. 88 or a 94, so here 8, here 9. So 9 is the big, so you have to put here this sign. 99 is a big or a 69? 99 is a big, so you have to do this sign. 36 or a 32? 36 is big, so you have to do this sign. 83 and 83, both are equal, so you have to put equal to sign. 81 and 31, so 8 is the big, so you have to do this sign. 67, 91, so 91 is the big, so you have to do this sign. 56 or a 38, 56 is a big value, so you have to put this sign. 98 or a 79, 98 is the big, so you have to do this sign. 46 and 24, so 46 is the big, so do this sign. I hope you are clear about this exercise. Now students, let's we move to our next exercise. Read the definition. Let us take a right the largest number and cross the smallest number. Okay. So you have to first find the largest number and also find the smallest number. Here in this first line 1 4 14, 1 9 19, 8 79 and 27. So which one is the small? 8 is the small, then do the cross sign there, and 79 is the biggest value, so you have to do the right sign there. In the second line 25, 1 5 15, 37, 52 and 39. So student, which one is the small? 1 5 15. So 1 5 15, do the cross sign there, and which one is the big? 52 is the big, so you have to do here right sign. Okay students. Now next 34, 39, 38, 40, 40 and 50. Which one is the small? 34 is the small, then you have to do the cross sign there, and 50 is the biggest, so you have to do the right sign there. Okay. Next 72, 85, 59, 68 and 81. So which one is the small? Small is the 59. So you have to do the cross there. And which one is the big? 85. So 85 you have to do the right sign there. 90, 90, 89, 45, 12, 51, 9. So which one is the small? 12 is the small. So you have to do the cross sign there. And which one is the big? 90, 90. So you have to do the right sign there. Then 46, 30, 27, 56 and 88. So which one is the small? Small is the 27 and biggest value is the 88. So you have to do the right sign there. 38, 98, 70, 82 and 28. So which one is the small? 28 is the small. Then do the cross sign there, and 98 is the big. So do the right sign there. Then 53, 35, 58, 95 and 15. So which one is the small? 15 is the small, then do the cross sign there, and big one is the 95, so do the right sign there. Now let's we move to our next topic, ascending order. What is the ascending order? First we clear about the concept of ascending order. You have to see here, I brought small to big. That means you have the arrange the value small to big. That means first you have to find the small number, then small to big. Okay, let's we see the example. First value is 36, 52, 18 and 24. So in this line, which one is the small value? First you have to compare all the value to tens number. 3, 5, 1 and 2. So which one is the small? 1. So 1, 8, 18 is the first value. Then 18 big, 24. So 2, 4, 24. Then 36. You have to put here 36 and 52. So this is your answer. You arrange all these values small to big. 18, 24, 36 and 52. Like that. Next example, 96, 25, 1 to 12 and 43. So which one is the small? 1 to 12 is the small. So you have to write here 12. Next one is the 25. In next is the 43 and in next is the 96. That means ascending order. That means you have to arrange this value small to big. I hope you all understand. Now let's we see the exercise. See here, 1, 5, 15, 81, 35, 21, 17 and 13. So which is the smallest value? 13. Then 15, then 17, then 21, then 35 and then 81. Like this, here 46, 50, 24, 51, 32 and 25. So which is the smallest? 24 is the smallest. So first 24. Then 25. Then which one? 32. Then 46. Then 50. And last value is the 51. So you arrange this value small to big. Now next example, 52, 71, 48, 61, 60, 98. So which is the smallest value? Smallest value is the 48. Then 52. Then 60, then 61. Then which one is there? 71 and last one is the 98. I hope you are understand about this ascending order, and these are the homework. You have to do your own self. Okay students? Now let's we go to our next topic, descending order. Descending order, that means we are writing numbers in descending order. First we clear about the concept. What is the descending number? In a ascending number, you arrange the all values small to big. In like descending order, you have to arrange all these value big to small. How? Big to small. So first you have to find the big value in it. You can see here example 15, 43, 24, 96. So which one is the biggest? 96 is biggest. So first answer is 96. Then after 43. Then after 24. And then 1, 5, 15. The second example, biggest value is 86. Then 59. Then 48 and then 31. Okay, I hope you all understand. Now let's we move to our textbook exercise. In the first example, first read the Definition. Fill in numbers which are less than the given number in a descending order. That means you have to write in a descending number any value. 34 less than 30, 26, 25, 14, 12, 8. So 78. Then 78 less value 72, 70, 65, 48, 32, 18, 18. Any value you can write here, but that value is less than of 78. Okay. 99. So write here 96, then 75, then 43, then 31, then 26, then 5. 99 less than these all values. Okay, 27. So write here 25, 1, 3, 13, 8, 6, 5, 4. Okay, 19. So write here 18, 1, 0, 10, 9, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, etc. Okay, 24. So write here 20, 20, 18, 18, 16, 16, 13, 13, then 11, then 2. Okay students, I hope you all are understood.